Bringing it out now for AC. I got one 2015 Panini Elite Extra Edition Baseball. That's a guess. Keep sending those offers in for clear vision basketball. Oh, knock my camera off. Good luck is right. See what you can get. Keep sending those live break orders in. Get those going today. All right. Prospect Luis Ortiz. Ryan Burr for Arizona auto. Ryan Burr. International card Domingo Labia. Hype card Manuel Margot. Reggie Lawson, jersey swatch. Scott Kingery for Philadelphia auto. Let's see some low numbers, let's see some cutouts. Tyler Naquin, prospect card. Domingo Acevedo for New York. Austin Byler for Arizona, 25/25 Austin Byler. Hype card Luis Cervinho. Mike Soroka for Atlanta auto. Thomas Sispuki out of 100. Out of 200, Demi Orlomo. Tyler Alexander. For Chicago, Zach Irwin auto. Jarrell Cotton from Los Angeles. Tate Matheny out of 150. Colby Allard out of 200. That is going to do it. Thanks for the order, AC. We'll get this packed up and shipped out for you today. Thanks, bro.